Hello friends, so in this video we're going to see BGP message types and BGP states. So there are 4 message types and 6 states. So we will see one by one in GNS. We will use GNS for this. So there are 2 routers. I have assigned this is R1 is .1 and R2 is .2 one. So there is nothing. So first we will see packet type, message types. So we'll use Wireshark for that. Okay, to capturing the packet. Okay, I'll configure. I have given .1 IP for this .1 and .2 for this. Okay, so we'll configure here. IP address schema is already given. I have given .1 here and .2 here. So I will enable BGP here. After BGP, okay, I'll put yes number is 100. I'm taking 100. We can take anything. Neighbor IP address 192.168.1.2. Okay, remote yes. 100. Okay, done. Config key. Outer BGP 100 neighbor 192.168.1.1 remote yes 100. Okay, I'm doing IBGP pairing, so that's why. Okay, we'll search here BGP. Okay, we can see there are 2 packets, one is open and one is keep alive. So what is our first packet? Open packet. So it consists of version number, AS number, BGP router ID. So we will verify one. This is the open packet. So we will open that packet. So in that packet we can see the hold down timer, my AS number, version number is IPv4 version number 4, length, type of packet, open packet, BGP identifier means BGP router ID. Router ID is this. So this is the hello packet. Keep alive packet, we can check keep alive packet also. Nothing is there in open packet. Okay, other hold down timer is there, AS number, version number, AS number, router ID, version number. Okay, these 3 things you can able to see in Wireshark capture. Version number, AS number. Okay, we will check keep alive packet. Okay, nothing is in keep alive packet. Keep alive is just to inform that we are alive, so that's why nothing is written here. So we will see update packet, not update, notification packet. Notification means is if any error occurred in BGP, in that case update notification packet will generate. So I have given here a remote AS 100. So I'm removing this command. No, so I'm giving okay, I give here AS 200. So I'm doing it intentionally because we want to check the notification packet. So I'm giving this command. So hit one, right? Okay, yeah, notification packet. We got notification packet. So we can see BGP send notification. You can see finally notification message is sent when there is a fatal error condition. So in that we can able to see here bad peer AS bad AS pairing. So this is the notification packet. So now we will see update packet. Any error occurred in the network, in BGP network, the neighbor pair will get notified by notification packet. Okay, we will see update packet. In update packet, so okay, I have to clear this. No. Okay, I'm advertising one interface. If any interface is any new network is created, a LAN by router, so it will update the neighbor. So I'll creating one loopback. I will advertise some traffic. Interface loopback 0, IP address 1.1.1.1 255.255.255.255. Okay, I have advertised this interface. Okay, I'll check any update I'll get. I will get any update. So BGP is a slow protocol. That's why it takes time. Okay, I'll create here also. In R2 also we will create one loopback. Interface loopback 0 IP 2.2.2.2. Okay, sorry, I have not advertised that network. Router BGP 100 network 1.1.1.1 mask 255.255.255.255. Okay. Network. Let's see your update. Okay. Update. Here we can find out the information in the network layer reachability information. Here we can find out that the information which network is added, which prefix it is the subnet mask /30T2 is using, advertise network 1 by 1, the attribute we can check origin, these are origin flags. This is normal things. This is attributes. Next up BGP attributes, MED attribute, local preference, default value is 100. MED next up attribute. These three are mandatory attributes. this is discretionary. Okay, these are attributes, but main thing is here, this need to update. Okay, update message is used to exchange routes between peers. Okay, that is the update. Okay, we will see states, BGP states. Okay, in R1 we configure exit debug IP BGP. Okay, here also we will configure debug IP BGP. Okay, so I'm clearing the process so we can see the states one by one. Clear IP BGP star soft. With this command we can do soft reset. If I put only clear IP BGP, then it is hard reset. So I am doing soft reset. Okay. Not will able to see. So IP protocol. So summary. Clear BGP, clear IP BGP. Okay, so we can see here BGP is in first established state. So I have reset. I have cleared the process. I have cleared the process. So it went to idle state from established state. Okay, from idle state. In idle state, we can check neighbor closing. Okay, 1.2 idle to active. So after that, he is checking TCP. He is establishing TCP connection. So in that process, BGP is going from idle to active state. From active, he is trying to establish TCP connection. So he is trying to establish TCP connection. So once the TCP connection is established, it's generate one open message and went from active to open sent. And in this condition, it will open packet. It will generate one open packet. We have seen here open packet. In this condition, it will generate one open packet, and okay, here sending open version 4, and in this information, in that open packet, these three information I have show you that information. Okay, so once the open sent, it will wait for open reply message, reply open. So we can check here receive open. Okay, receive open. After that, we can check open has root refresh. There is data in the open packet which received, and from after receiving open send, BGP went from open send to open confirm. Okay, in this state BGP send one keep alive message. In this keep alive message, BGP send one keep and wait for keep alive. And in open confirm message, it continuously in every 60 seconds BGP send keep alive message. Okay, established it. So adjacency is formed here in established state. So we can check here TCP also. So TCP brief. TCP is in established state. So BGP IP BGP summary. Okay, this we can check states. 0 means we are not advertising any prefix. Okay, we can do this like this is R1. Okay, R1. From R2 we are not receiving any prefix, so we will advertise on something. Network config T network T router BGP 100 network 2.2.2.2 mask. That loopback we earlier created, that advertising. And map to origin 2.2.2. Okay, so we can check. We are receiving one prefix here. Means if BGP stuck in any state, we will see here 0. We can see here the number of prefix we are receiving here. Here 4 means the version number is 4. IPv4 BGP using version number 4. And here we can check the router ID, BGP router identifier. Router ID is 1.1.1.1. Local AS number. Here AS number, message send receive. Version number is 10. When we make any changes, it will increment by 1. In queue and out queue we will use this for troubleshooting. BGP troubleshooting, we will use this for BGP troubleshooting. Uptime, you know. Okay, so what we can do next? Okay, we will give same router ID. So you can see our BGP router BGP 100. BGP router ID. R1 is for 1.1. Okay, we will give both the router has router ID 1.1.1.1. Okay, and we'll give R2 also BGP router ID 1.1.1.1. Okay, we'll see what is happening. So what is happen here? Reset the session. Why it is session is reset? Because what happened here? Down pairing session as you open idle to connect, close with session. Okay, means what happened because of same router ID, they are not accepting same router ID. Both router having same router ID, so I think they will notification. We receive notification message. Bad identifier. Identifier means router ID. They are receiving bad identifier. They are giving error. Notification means error. Okay, you got my point. Okay, so here also we can check they are giving error because debugging is on, so that's why. So we can check BGP state, which state BGP currently working in. That's it. So IP BGP summary. So it is in active state because it is not able to establish TCP connection. We can check. Show TCP brief. Okay, TCP is in time wait state. TCP connection is not establishing here, so that's why TCP is stuck in time wait state. Okay, so here we can check. Okay, we will change the router ID at R2. BGP router ID 2.2.2.2. Okay, now we'll see what happened. Okay, show TCP brief. It is also clear. IP BGP start. Okay, sometime it take time because I need to clear the process sometime. Okay, now it is in established state, so we can check. Show IP BGP summary. Show TCP brief. Okay, it is in established state. Okay, thank you. Hello friends, so in this video we're going to see BGP message types and BGP states. So there are 4 message types and 6 states, so we will see one by one. In GNS we will use GNS for this. So there are 2 routers I have assigned. This is R1 is .1 and R2 is .2 1. So there is nothing. So first we will see packet type, message types. So we'll use Wireshark for that. Okay, to capturing the packet. Okay, I'll configure. I have given